Most people see an eye transition like this and assume it was made in After Effects. But what if I told you this was made entirely in CapCut? No plugins, no expensive software, just custom graphs and masking. I spent hours failing at this transition before I finally figured it out. So today, I'm giving you the shortcut. All right, so here is our clip. First, we will freeze the frame and overlay it. Adjust the size of the overlay. Now add 3 keyframes to the original clip. Now mask the overlay with a circle and resize it accordingly. Add keyframes and follow along. Check how much you zoomed in to the freeze frame and apply the same zoom to the original clip to make the transition smoother. Now add another keyframe and splice the freeze frame. Now adjust the mask accordingly. Now we will add some effects to make the transition smoother and better, so follow along. There you go. Now you have learned how to make the eye transition in CapCut easily. If you need any tutorial, just ask in the comments. And make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.